The morning of. Good morning, everyone. An absolutely glorious day. We're feeding the birds out. I have an exam coming up today. I'm just out here chilling, relaxing. I put in a lot of work and studied a lot for this exam. I'm taking the project management exam today. I took a very specific strategy for this exam as far as what I studied. Before I lay it all out there, I'll do that after the exam, later today or tomorrow. I did something really interesting this time that I didn't do for previous exams. See if it works. Having my favorite drink, which is a matcha latte with oat milk, and I'm truly, honestly, and I'm normally not like this, but I'm very excited for this exam. And there are a lot of reasons why. I think really have been focusing on preparing my mind. I do that before I take exam. Days leading up to it, weeks leading up to it, are certain things that I do to meditate of how I approach the exam and how I think about it. And anywho, I'm excited. I'll take you on this journey of what happens as I get to the exam test center and what I do an hour before. And I'll also be filming the moment that I come out of the exam. That's gonna be interesting, regardless of the outcome, although it's gonna be positive. I'll be filming that and just letting you know my emotions and how I felt and taking you on this journey, so stick around. Yeah, we're going to Starbucks because it's our only potty break. Thank you, Starbucks. Thank you, Howard, for supporting me in this moment before my exam. Anyways, I probably shouldn't have had that matcha because I'm a little too excited right now.